In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record other income in the payments section. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to enter so that non-sales money coming into your business is captured cleanly and shows up where it should. We'll begin in the payments area of your accounting system. This is the hub for all money movements. Click Payments to open it. Think of this page as your command center for deposits and receipts. Starting here ensures the transaction is treated as incoming cash rather than a sale or an invoice payment. Next, move into the section designed specifically for non-sales earnings. Click the Other Income tab. This view keeps things like interest, rebates, reimbursements, credits, and miscellaneous receipts separate from your regular revenue. Keeping these items isolated helps your reports stay accurate and makes month-end reviews much easier. Now add a new entry. Click the plus icon labeled Add Income. This opens a form where you'll provide the details. Take a moment to complete each field carefully. Enter the date the money actually hit your account, not just when you learned about it, so your cash flow timeline stays true. Type the amount precisely. In the description or memo, use a clear, specific label, like bank interest for March or vendor rebate. Consistent wording will make future searches and reconciliations faster. If your system offers fields such as category or account, select an appropriate other income category or subcategory to keep reporting tidy. Choose the deposit account where the funds landed, such as your operating bank account. If a payment method or reference number is requested, add it for an easy audit trail. For tax settings, apply the correct tax code if your jurisdiction taxes this type of income, and choose no tax when it doesn't. If your software supports attachments within the form, you can attach a statement snippet or receipt for documentation. And remember, never include sensitive personal information in notes or descriptions. Keep entries professional and concise. When everything looks correct, click Save. The system will create the transaction and place it in the right spot. That's it. Your income is now recorded under Other Income. You should see the new entry listed on that tab, and it will roll up properly in your financial reports. Quick recap. Open Payments, go to the Other Income tab, click Add Income, enter the details carefully, and save. Follow this approach each time you receive money that isn't part of your main sales, and your books will stay consistent, transparent, and easy to review.